Hi, this is Matt with Fully Silent PCs. I previously made a video showing the benefits of delidding a CPU and replacing the thermal paste with liquid metal. In this video, I will show the process of delidding an Intel CPU. I'm using the Rockit Cool Rockit 88 delidding tool here. It has 3 screws to hold it into place. The bottom left corner of the CPU is aligned with the triangle on the delidding tool. And the same 3 screws are used to tighten it again. An Allen wrench is used to tighten the lug that separates the lid of the CPU. Sometimes it takes more force, sometimes less. In this case, it came off really easily. The CPU used here is the Intel i7 8700. Intel's stock thermal paste is removed, as is the black sealer. And I'm going to be using a couple tools in this video that came from iFixit Pro Toolkit. This sealer can be a bit difficult to remove. It really helps to have something very flat. I'm going back with a paper towel and some alcohol to clean it further. I'm trying to get as much off as I can. I want this CPU die to be shiny. Now for the fun part. It takes very little liquid metal to properly transfer heat. I'm using Thermal Grizzly's Conductonaut liquid metal here. I used too much at first here, so I'm going to suck some of it back up into the tube. This Q-tip was included with the Thermal Grizzly liquid metal. It is already coated with the metal from previous applications. I find it easiest to first spread the metal on the CPU die and then dab it to make an even layer. It has a harder time sticking to the heat spreader, and I will need a little bit more here. The angle is not the best here, but I'm continuing to dab the heat spreader to create an even layer. I'm using a cap to keep this cotton swab clean. A silicone sealant is used to re-lid the CPU. This is Permatex Ultra Black. It is not conductive, so it can be used to seal 3 small contacts near the CPU die. I want to make sure that the liquid metal does not leak onto these contacts. A small amount of this sealer is used all around the edge of the heat spreader. A small gap is left here to allow for air passage. The CPU is placed back into the delidding tool in the same orientation. This part is secured into place. And a third larger screw applies pressure to the CPU. And I'm going to leave this overnight to properly cure before use. Please subscribe for more silent PC info, and like the video if you liked it. At fullysilentpcs.com, I offer free delidding with the purchase of a fanless computer using an Intel CPU. Thanks for watching.